Stop throwing money at expensive agencies when you can unlock the power of authentic connection with AI-generated UGC ads completely free. First, head over to a free AI script generator like ChatGPT. Will use it to brainstorm UGC ad ideas tailored to your product. Tell the AI about your brand, your target audience, and the specific problem your product solves. The more details you provide, the better the results. Perfect. The AI has given us a great starting point. Now, let's find an AI voice generator. Several free options are available online. Simply paste the script into the AI voice generator and choose a voice that resonates with your target audience. Download the audio file. Next, find royalty-free stock footage or record your own short video clips related to your product and the AI-generated script. Now, fire up a free video editor like CapCut. Import the audio and video clips. Sync the audio with the video clips, adding text overlays based on the script. Keep it short, snappy, and engaging. Finally, export your awesome AI-powered UGC ad and start reaching your audience. Don't forget to use hashtags like #AI advertising and #free marketing. Congratulations, you've just created a compelling UGC ad for free. Now go and make some sales.